everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I am going to show you how to remote in from your iPhone to your computer using TeamViewer. If you saw one of my older videos, I used TeamViewer to remote from one computer into another. You could do it from your phone, and it's actually really cool that you can actually do this, and it's for simple things. Like, okay, you forget to turn it off, you could turn it off. You could do this, you could grab files, you can even play a game on it if you have a well enough connection. TeamViewer, there's a professional and then there's a home version. This is the home version of the software. You could download it from Google Play Store or the Android or the App Store as you saw here. So what I am going to do is, as you can see, you have a partner ID. You get that ID, you type it in, then you click enter. And what will happen is my phone will be the source computer remoting into my desktop. Basically, my phone is going to act as a terminal for my desktop. So I just have to get the ID. And once I get the ID, I'll insert it. And then what will happen is, once I click connect, it'll connect. Now I entered the password. And I am in my desktop. So I'm going to open up a file here. I'm going to turn the phone this way, so there we go. As you can see, I am using my desktop through my iPhone. So I have my YouTube videos and I'll go towards that. So here's what I'm going to do. I can go here. I can go here. Let's do this. You can uninstall stuff. Open up the clock. And you can do multiple things with this. And what I can do, keyboard should pop up. Turn it back this way. It does not pop up. So what I would have to use in this case is a Bluetooth keyboard. And as you can see down below, it's my iPhone that's in there. And when you want to stop, you just go to the down, like right here, and you go, it's a sponsored session. This was a free session sponsored by TeamViewer.com. Please note that free sessions are available for non-commercial use only. It says, thank you for playing fair. So there we go. So anyway, with that said, that is it for this video. Please comment, like, subscribe, and click that bell for more notifications.